18 species in genus Hemerocallis. My love affair with daylilies, Hemerocallis. Have always been drawn to the vibrant beauty of flowers. Their diverse forms and colors never cease to amaze me. Among my favorites is the Hemerocallis, commonly known as the daylily. These resilient and stunning plants have captivated me with their ephemeral blooms and their ability to thrive in diverse conditions. A fleeting beauty. The name, daylily, perfectly captures the essence of these flowers. Each individual bloom lasts only for a single day, opening in the morning and withering by nightfall. But don't let this short lifespan fool you. Each daylily plant produces a profusion of buds, ensuring a continuous display of color throughout its blooming season. It's like a daily renewal, a reminder to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. I remember the first time I encountered a daylily in full bloom. It was a vibrant orange variety, its petals unfurling like a ballerina's skirt. The delicate stamens, tipped with golden pollen, seemed to beckon pollinators to their sweet nectar. I was mesmerized by its simple elegance and the way it seemed to glow in the sunlight. A diverse genus. The genus Hemerocallis belongs to the family Asphodelaceae and is native to Eurasia. These plants are renowned for their hardiness and adaptability, thriving in a variety of climates and soil conditions. They are also incredibly diverse, with thousands of cultivars available in a breathtaking array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Hemerocallis fulva. This is one of the most common and recognizable species, known for its vibrant orange flowers and its tendency to naturalize in various habitats. Hemerocallis lilioasphodilus. This species boasts fragrant, lemon-yellow flowers that resemble lilies, hence its name. Hemerocallis citrina. This night-blooming variety features pale yellow flowers with a distinct fragrance that intensifies in the evening. Plant FAQs. Hemerocallis citrina. Hemerocallis minor. This dwarf species is characterized by its smaller stature and delicate, pale yellow flowers. Hemerocallis middendorfii. This early-blooming species displays golden yellow flowers with a prominent midrib. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A gardener's delight. Daylilies are a joy to cultivate. They require minimal care and are relatively pest-free. Their resilience makes them ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners. Whether planted in borders, mass plantings, or containers, they add a touch of elegance to any landscape. I find immense satisfaction in nurturing my own daylily collection. I enjoy experimenting with different varieties, creating a tapestry of colors and textures in my garden. Each spring, I eagerly await the emergence of their green shoots, a promise of the beauty to come. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, daylilies have also played a role in human history. In some cultures, the flowers are edible and used in culinary dishes. They have also been employed in traditional medicine for their purported healing properties. For me, daylilies represent resilience, renewal, and the ephemeral nature of beauty. They remind me to appreciate the simple joys in life and to find beauty in the everyday. Each bloom is a fleeting masterpiece, a testament to the wonders of nature.